In addition to classes and learning spaces, there are also school areas on Fusion. These are essentially shared file areas that are shared with every single member of the school community, including students, teachers and parents. It's only the admin login that can create school areas. They can do this by coming into school areas and clicking on the plus, or they can go to Manage, School Spaces, and here they can create a new school space from here. And to create a school space, you just give it a name and an optional description. And I say continue. Once I as admin have created a new school area, it's only me that can edit it and add files. So if I want to add someone else from the staff to help me manage the school area, I go to Manage School Areas and I click on this icon which is under Editors. I search for the members of staff that I would like to help me with this. So this is a member of the school administrative team, and I add them as editors. And that person can now add files to that school area. To delete a school area, go back to Manage School Spaces, and if there are no files in the area, it can be deleted. So that's how to manage school areas on Fusion.